This video is the sights and sounds of the Krups Espresso Mini Model 963 making a good cup of regular coffee. Here we have the steam nozzle with the perfect froth attachment that will use the steam coming from the boiler container and infuse the milk or cream with this to make frothy cream. And here we have the filter holder and filter basket that will hold the coffee. As you see, it's a metal filter, so no need with paper filters. So let's scoop some coffee from the Pete's coffee container. Here we're going to grab 1 scoop of coffee and put it into the filter basket, and I like to pack it once for a little more punch. Let's just enjoy the sights and sounds of the assembly here, and finally the pouring of the water and starting the machine. Once you turn on the on button, then the water has to get to a certain temperature and pressure, and then will come flowing over the coffee grounds, making a good pot of coffee. Now I'm going to turn the steam off via the steam release knob and remove the cup of frothed cream. And now I'm going to clean the steam release nozzle and attachment, and then turn the steam back on to release all the steam. During this time, you kind of get excited that the coffee's almost done and say, "There she blows." I know my dad used to say something like, "Coffee time for little daddy time." And as I finally pour the coffee, wasn't it Homer Simpson that said, "Coffee good"? Thanks for watching.